Welcome to the future of video creation. Whether you are a marketing guru, a small business owner, or just someone who loves creating eye-catchy content, VideoGen is here to revolutionize how you make videos. Forget the steep learning curves and endless editing hours. With VideoGen, it's as easy as writing your ideas. Let's dive in and see how it works. The moment you log in, you'll notice how sleek and user-friendly the interface is. Everything you need is right here on the dashboard. No clutter, no confusion. One of VideoGen's standout feature is its vast library of templates. Whether you are designing a snappy Instagram reel, a professional corporate explainer, or an engaging YouTube video, we have got you covered. These templates are fully customizable, so you can tweak them to match your unique style. Customizing your video has never been this easy. Add text, change fonts, upload your media, and even choose from a wide array of professional transitions. All of this happens in real time, so you can see your edits instantly. VideoGen takes it up a notch with its AI-powered features. Use auto-captioning to make your videos accessible. Generate professional voiceovers in multiple languages. Or turn your script into a video with just a click. Let the AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on your vision. No video is complete without stunning visuals and background music. That's why VideoGen comes with an integrated stock library filled with thousands of high-quality assets. From breathtaking landscapes to catchy tunes, you will find everything you need to make your videos stand out. Once your masterpiece is ready, exporting is just a breeze. Choose your desired resolution and format, hit export, and let VideoGen do the rest. Your high-quality video will be ready in seconds. So, what are you waiting for? Join thousands of creators who have already discovered the magic of VideoGen. Sign up now and start creating videos that wow your audience. The future of video creation is here, and it's called VideoGen.
Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.